2011. Probably shaping up to be the biggest day of the year for us. It's not 740, it's actually 840. Oh, and my vast has been updated, sorry. She's partner, Ed Grubb. Checking out the models. And she's partner on the rollaway, sleeping. But we have a huge day shaping up, and it's looked that way for quite some time. And as you can see, those are the tornado props for today, 30% hatched. So today's going to be fairly huge, tornado-wise, I think. But the day's just getting started, and it's going to be a big one.
Good afternoon from Kingfisher County, Oklahoma. Time is 12:21, and the crew who was horizontal this morning is now semi-vertical. Mr. Ed Grubb, Mr. Paul Samaras, and myself. And we are heading westbound on Oklahoma State Highway 33 for the Watonga area. And the plan is to basically just kind of hang tight and see what's going to transpire today on this high-risk day, our third of the year. 45% hatch tornadoes, so the second highest tornado props that they put out pretty much for all of western and central Oklahoma. So a violent day, still looks to be well on track. We left the hotel this morning, got ourselves packed and set up. 12:39, we have an MD that says tornado watch will be likely. PDS more than likely, given the conditions that exist. So 19 to 20 Z, storms expected to form. It's going to be a very, very long day. Time is 1:46 Central. We're in Watonga, Oklahoma, at the Sonic, to which we ate at yesterday, prior to our tornadoes, and we're sitting in a PDS tornado watch. Not surprising. Scattered queue developing. And a blip showing up to our southwest near New Cordell. We're up in Watonga in the white circle. And we're just waiting around for what promises to be a big day. I am 2 tornadoes away from my 200th, which, barring some form of disaster, I should get today. So hopefully the circumstances will allow me to pose in front of that, even if it's brief. 2:24 p.m. We've got a severe warm storm that has developed to our southwest. We are en route, moving northwest. And there is the storm. Looking back down to our southwest. That's what we're heading after. And wiping down the windows.
Go ahead and wipe them and see if that helps anything.
Give it one more squirt.
Huh?
One more squirt. Just let me wipe the wiper and then do it. Big slushy drops. But anywho, we got the storm. We got the storm right there, which is actually that wall cloudy looking feature way out there in the distance. So. comes the RFD cut, wrap it around. That did it in a hurry, didn't it? Debris!
Debris!
Debris! Straight down the road!
Don't go too far, Paul. It's gonna come right along here.
Alright, it is M2. We are 1 mile south of the road there, the Meteorologist highway. We're just south of Canton. We're parked here facing west.
Debris!
Excellent.
Debris!
All right,
Definitely.
we got dust on the ground now, just to our west-northwest.
Yeah, multiple vortex.
It's coming down, guys. Multi-vortex dust columns on the ground. Funnel is starting to work its way.
Got that, roger. How far up 58 out of here, Tony?
We're just north of the highway. We did not go very far. It looks like it's going to cross immediately to our north. On the ground, guys. This thing is a multi-vortex.
Are you just south of town, M2? Yes, we are. About how far? Approximately 1/2 mile south of town.
Probe, if you copy, you might get a deploy on 58A here. Hey guys, let's crawl up a little bit.
Okay. Go on, Paul.
Paul, let's go. We're gonna crawl up a little bit.
Yeah, it's moving slower than this would be a good probe deployment.
We're gonna creep up a little further north here.
That sounds good, Tony. When you creep up, we're gonna creep up too.
Don't hang out of the car, please, Paul. Not right now.
Tower probe is running. We're gonna try to get in position.
Roger, probe 5-8 is a pretty good bet. Tornado still west of the road.
One still reporting south winds. We really don't have much of an RFD push this far out yet. We may only get that until we get sun behind this thing.
Oh, good. It's gonna hit a casino. It's making a beeline for a casino. We're starting to get a hard RFD through this tornado. It's pretty violent.
Just the 10?
Paper towel, where's that towel? Here.
M1's got some reasonable RFD, getting nothing right home, about 25 knots.
Yeah, it's getting violent. This is a violent looking tornado, guys. Still continuing. It looks like it's gonna move over the lake.
Yeah, as you move north, ultimately, when you move on this thing, we're gonna move in, so we're staying about a kilometer to your southwest or south.
All right, yeah, we're probably within a half a mile of it.
Satellites back to where south.
Yeah.
Let's hold it right a little bit further, yeah.
Right here.
Right there's good.
All right, we have held about a half mile south of the lake.
It's got debris.
How far are you north from the turnoff?
Probably a mile and a half.
It's got house debris.
Roger, we're gonna slide in behind this thing. M2, why don't you slide north? Yeah, we're gonna do that right now.
Are we staying here? I'm gonna get out.
No, we're gonna move up. I just want to get.
Okay.
I just wanted to get it clear.
Okay, get up about.
There's all sorts of trees. Yeah, this is lofting large trees.
M1 is northbound on 58E. Johnny, where are you?
We're just south of the lake, Tim. We're probably about a half a mile behind her.
Okay, right on 58E.
Roger, we're about to hit the dog leg. It looks like it's crossing over the lake.
Roger. Okay, M2, just try to stay a kilometer or so behind us. We're heading northbound. Are you taking that road just west of town, north? 58E. Affirmative. Okay.
No, that's not the road we want.
Maybe we'll get a chance to cross.
No, that's. Did I miss our exit?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going back.
They may have it close. It looks like it close.
Yeah, I didn't see any off ramp though.
We're gonna have to go back. It's gonna be on the ground.
We're moving north at about 60, M2. North at about 60.
Here it is. Is this it? Oh shit, it is.
I don't know. It may be.
I don't know.
I guess I see it, Tony.
Yeah, I don't know where this road is, Bruce. I think we're shit out of luck. I think the road that we needed was closed over the dam there. I think we're stuck.
It ain't beautiful, but look at me and smile. There's your 200.
All right.
Look at me, buddy.
Number 200.
We'll get another shot here in a sec.
As I say, I might have a chance to get out of here.
In there, we'll never get out. Okay, then let's do it. Hurry. It's on the ground. Get your shot.
M2, why don't you go ahead and turn